This video is not showing you how to make oatmeal except for one important thing. Bring it to a boil. If you notice, look, nothing's stuck on mine, which most people have a problem with. Bring it to a boil. The second you see bubbles around the edge, turn it down to the lowest setting, cover it, come back in a half hour. Now, this is for people that would like to have fresh fruit in their oatmeal. The last minute they say, oh, I want fruit, but I don't have any in the house. Okay. And it's also for people that maybe live a great distance from buying fresh fruit and would like to have it. So this is what you do. Does that look like a fresh orange? It certainly does. But guess where it came from? It came out of my freezer, unpeeled. And that's where I put a bag of oranges that I buy at Costco. I'm the only person in the house that eats oranges. So to save money, if I can't eat like 2-3 oranges a day. And before they go bad, throw the whole bag in the freezer. The same thing with what you see here is banana and pineapple. Buy the pineapple, dice it up, put it in little containers, put it in the freezer. The banana was not ripe when I put it into the freezer. It was a little green. But for some reason, which I'm not a chemist, when it comes out, it is soft and mushy, which I expected, but sweet. So now you have your fruit whenever you want it. And if you have time to go to the store every day to buy pineapple, banana, and oranges, don't even look at this. It has no interest to you at all. But for me, it makes me very happy that I have this on hand whenever I need it. And that's the end of the video. I mix this up. I just put a little cinnamon and butter, salt, and I have my oatmeal with my fresh fruit. The orange tastes the same. The banana is even more sweet. Your choice. Do whatever you like. If you don't like this video, that's because you're against of what I said. Other than that, enjoy.